महोदय, हमारे शिक्षकगण, हमारे सहपाठी एवं साउथ बिहार से आए हुए हमारे सीनियर्स, पहले हम लोग जानते हैं कि सामाजिक विकास किसको कहते हैं। तो समाज की परिस्थिति के अनुसार अपने आप को समायोजन करना ही सामाजिक विकास कहलाता है और इसमें शिक्षक की भूमिका बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि जॉन डीवे का कहना है कि स्कूल है जो समाज का लघु रूप है। तो शिक्षक की भूमिका समाज में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हो जाती है, क्योंकि कहा गया है कि जब शिक्षक दौड़ता है तो उसके छात्र चलते हैं, और जब शिक्षक चलता है तो छात्र बैठते हैं, और जब शिक्षक बैठ जाता है तो छात्र सो जाते हैं। इसीलिए शिक्षक को जागरूक होना बहुत जरूरी है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अनुज। आज यहाँ पर हमारे सेमिनार हॉल में उपस्थित एचओडी सर और हमारे टीचर्स, मैं आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं 22-24 की स्टूडेंट सेक्शन बी की सुष्मिता कुमारी। जैसा कि आज का हमारा सेमिनार का टॉपिक है रोल ऑफ टीचर इन सोशल डेवलपमेंट, तो इसके लिए मैं 22-24 के से साहिल कुमार को बुलाना चाहूंगी। आप लोग जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत कीजिए।
Respected HOD sir, all teachers, and my dear seniors and juniors, I Sahil Yadav standing before you to share my views on the topic role of teacher in social development. According to me, I think teacher is available for overall development of the students. Students' overall development is only depend on the teacher, because teacher only guide the student in the right direction and in the right way. And I would like to conclude my topic by saying that future of India is only dependent on the teachers, and only the teachers can guide the student in the right direction by sharing their experience and their learning. Thank you.
थैंक यू साहिल। इसी के साथ मैं एक मोटिवेशनल थॉट बोलना चाहूँगी। यदि कड़ी मेहनत आपका हथियार है तो सफलता आपकी गुलाम हो जाएगी। यदि कड़ी मेहनत आपका हथियार है तो सफलता आपकी गुलाम हो जाएगी। इसी के साथ मैं कुछ हमारे सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी के एमएड करने वाले हमारे सीनियर्स भी आए हैं, तो मैं उन्हीं को बुलाना चाहूंगी। अनुज कुमार, मनीषा, जोरदार तालियों के साथ उनका स्वागत कीजिए।
A very warm afternoon to all the dignitaries present over here, all my classmates and all my juniors who are here. As we all know, today's topic is role of teacher in social development. Rather going very specific to this topic, I will dealing the whole topic in sum. Okay, I'm going with the topic role of teacher in child development. How the teacher is playing a role in the development of a children, of the student, whoever he or she is encountering with, right? Now, if we say the word development, we mean by to develop, to increase in insight, to increase in knowledge, to increase in social behavior, to increase in morality, to be confident in emotions, to present himself or herself in a better way, right? The development is a very broad term. So I am just bifurcating the word development in certain dimensions, okay? We are going to deal with the first is intellectual development of the children, second is the moral development of the children, third is emotional, then physical, then I will deal with the social one. Now first coming to the intellectual development. All of you present here are of the B.Ed of B.Ed classes, right? And you are very much familiar with the name Vygotsky. Am I right? सबको पता है Vygotsky कौन है? Correct? ठीक है. तो हम Vygotsky से लेके चलते हैं सबसे पहली टॉपिक की बात जो कि इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट में. जैसे how teacher is playing the vital role in the development of a children in the aspect of intellect. When we are talking, when we go to the terms of Vygotsky, even today, what we are teaching in schools or the colleges, the theories of Piaget, Chomsky and other psychologists even, हम प्रेफर करते हैं Vygotsky की थ्योरी को. अगर ये आपसे कोई पूछता है what we are preferring in today's teaching learning process, we are more and over stick to the theories of Vygotsky, that is social constructivist, right? So when we are talking about Vygotsky, how the teacher is playing the role for the intellectual development, we can understand from here. Like when a student come to the classroom, okay, he or she is at the actual level. You must be knowing what the actual level is, right? Actual level क्या होता है जो हमारे अंदर innate already present है, what the reflexes, what innate abilities we are already having in us. Okay, that is the actual level. When a teacher or the more knowledgeable one is encountering with us, is taking us to the proximal level through the zone of proximal development. Correct? Am I correct or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So यहाँ पे intellectual development की बात हुई. When the teacher is playing the role of MKO in the classroom setting, he or she is taking us from the actual level to the proximal level. This is how teacher is playing role in intellectual development. Am I clear to you all? Okay. Now coming to the moral development. When we are talking about moral development, morality, what the morality means to differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. Basically, in broad term, we talk about morality in these two keywords only, right? What is wrong and what is right. When a teacher is in the class, he or she is not only dealing with the content material or the curriculum or the syllabus. While teaching, he or she also teach and talks about what you have to do. What in this condition, like for example, if I am giving one example for you, like if in a biology class a teacher is teaching pollution, right? He or she is not only going with the pollution, the definition of pollution, the types of pollution, what are the consequences, no. He or she is also dealing with what model behavior you should show to the environment in your social setting. राइट आप सबको मिलता है जब आपके क्लास में कोई टीचर आता है सिर्फ कंटेंट मटेरियल आपसे डील नहीं होता उसके अलावा आपको कैसे बिहेव करना है सोसाइटी के अंदर कौन सी चीजें गलत होंगी एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कौन सी चीजें सही होंगी एनवायरनमेंट के लिए दिस इज ओनली अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट लिंकिंग विद पोल्यूशन राइट सो in this way the morality is being encouraged in the class by the teacher. Now coming to emotional development, of course this is one of the area which is lagging in Indian society. Okay, जब हम इंडियन सोसाइटी की बात करते हैं या इंडियन क्लासरूम्स की बात करते हैं तो हम इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट को कहीं ना कहीं लैक करते हैं क्योंकि व्हेन अ टीचर इज कमिंग टू द क्लासरूम ही और शी हैज अ माइंडसेट व्हाट इफ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच इन द क्लास राइट हमें क्या पढ़ाना है rather than getting through the emotions of each and every child. This is also very technical and very difficult for a teacher to go through the emotion of each and every child. But this is also the duty of a teacher to diagnose the need and interest of each and every student to deal while encountering with the students and going with the content. So if a teacher before going to the class interact with the students that what pros and cons the student is having. Likewise, if we are talking about multilingual classroom, ठीक है जब हम उसकी बात करते हैं if the students are not very much familiar with English or any certain language, not I am not restricting only to English, right? जब हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं तो टीचर को उस क्लास में इनकाउंटरिंग के पहले ठीक है प्रेजेंटेशन जिसको हम बीएड के टेक्निकल वर्ड में कहते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन के पहले the role of the teacher is to go in the class to communicate with the teacher, go on the emotional lines of the students to know whether the student is emotionally fit to get that language proficiency or not. If the student is emotionally fit or not, the role of the teacher is of guider also. Here the teacher is guiding us, is counseling us. So this is also the role of the teacher to incorporate it in the classroom. Then we are talking about the last one, that is social development. Whatever the topic is written on the board, right? Social development. Social development के लिए टीचर क्या करते हैं? जैसे अभी हमारे जूनियर ने कहा that a classroom or a school is miniature of the society. सोसाइटी का मिनिएचर है हमारा क्लासरूम. तो ऑफ कोर्स जब हम सोसाइटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो एक क्लासरूम के अंदर भी एक सोशल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. हम बाहर की दुनिया की बात क्यों करें? जब हम एक क्लासरूम की ही बात करें, जब हम मिनिएचर ऑफ सोसाइटी बोल रहे हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये जो सोसाइटी है इसके अंदर भी सोशल डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, राइट? तो उसके लिए टीचर क्या कहते हैं? Of course, you have seen, might be in your previous colleges or schools or in this college only, you have learned about peer tutoring, cooperative learning, collaborative learning, activity-based learning. ये terms काफी familiar होंगे आपके साथ. When you are going with cooperative or collaborative learning, you are going through the multicultural aspect. आप बहुत सारे cultures के साथ मिलते हैं. When one child is intermingling or cooperating on a certain topic to the other child, he or she is going through the emotional aspect, cultural aspect also. So he or she is getting to the social exposure too. ठीक है? तो ये सारे कुछ रोल्स हैं टीचर के जो टीचर्स को इनकॉर्पोरेट करना चाहिए फॉर गेटिंग थ्रू द ऑल डायमेंशंस ऑफ चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. Now I would like to call Nikhil Bhardwaj from first year.